In this video, I'm going to show you how to export JPEGs from Figma. Let's dive right in. I have a Figma file open, and you can see I have multiple frames here. I want to export these 4 frames to JPEG. So what we need to do is select the frames that we would like to export. You can either select them individually, or you can hold down Shift to select multiple frames at once. Scroll to the bottom right and look for Export. We're going to hit the plus sign. That adds export settings to our file. Click the drop-down menu and select JPEG. On the left here, you can control the image quality. So if you just want the size that I have set up in the file, which looks like 375 pixels by 812, then that's the size it will export. But if you want to double the resolution or go a little smaller, you can. So I like to do 2x on my designs so they're extra clear when I export the files. So we have 2x and JPEG selected. Now just click Export 4 layers and save them to your computer. So here are the files. And by the way, it uses the frame name when naming the files. So a good way to make that faster is to go ahead and have your frames with the names that you might want for your files. And these look great. So that's how you export JPEGs from Figma. I've linked my Figma playlist below if you want more time-saving tips and tutorials in Figma. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe to my channel for more Figma and graphic design tutorials. Thanks so much.